Bootstrap is a free and open source front-end web framework for designing and developing websites and web applications. It's the world's most popular and used front-end web framework, and you can use it in many different ways. You can use it out of the box for quick and easy prototyping, or customize the different parts and use it for advanced and unique websites. Bootstrap is built with a mobile-first design philosophy, emphasizing responsive design by default. This means that web pages built with Bootstrap 4 works across all kinds of devices, browsers and screen sizes, while also taking care of best practices related to accessibility. Bootstrap contains a fluid and responsive grid system, basic styling for all key HTML elements, many kinds of common user interface components, and several utilities to adjust the design and layout of the page. With the fluid and responsive grid system, it's easy to control how the layout should look across different screen sizes. With the basic styling for all the key HTML elements, you get a modern and coherent look for text, images, tables, and other content. With the user interface components, you can easily build your own page and mix these components in unlimited and creative ways. Among the components, you'll find buttons, cards, carousels, drop-downs, forms, modals, and navigation. With the utilities, you can change, for example, the color, sizing, spacing, and typography of the different components and content.